Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, northern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, northwestern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio until 11:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain.
This.
Weather. Heavy night. Lows in the upper 60s. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood. Blue Jay. At 8:42 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to fall within the...
Yeah, it's good music.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Trotwood, Vandalia, Moraine, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Riverside, Clayton, Shiloh, Fort McKinley, and Overlook Page Mono. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the
Let's see what they get on this one.
Miami Valley of Ohio and the